This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Here's how to create a snappy title for an essay, report, or a blog post using Ask Gemini in Google Docs. Let's get started. So this is Ask Gemini. This is an essay that I wrote for a newsletter, and it will also be repurposed on my blog. And I'm not really good at writing headlines, so Ask Gemini can actually help me do that and help me do it much more quickly and maybe come up with something more effective. You'll see in the upper right corner of Google Docs, there's this star-like icon. It says, if you hover over it, it says Ask Gemini, press that, and then this dialog will appear. It's called, this is currently in alpha, but I'm pretty sure that Google is going to roll this out to more Google Docs accounts. Currently, it's only paid Google accounts, by the way, but I expect that Google will eventually make this free. So I'm going to ask Gemini, show me, I have some text here already, show me 3 possible headlines that will encourage audiences to read the article. Then I'm going to press the arrow, the submit arrow, and let's see what it comes up with. It may take a long time if it's a very long article, but this is only 750 words long. And so they gave me 3 options here. I tried to sell my decades-old silver coin collection. Here's how I got lowballed by a traveling roadshow. Okay, that's pretty intense. From Buffalo nickels to a silver market crash, what happened when I revisited my 1980s coin collection? The coin collector's regret. And so these 3 headlines are actually pretty good. The problem I have with them is they're way too long. And I'm going to ask it, can you make them shorter? You know, no more than 10 words. And let's see what happens. So that's one of the good things about Gemini is you can ask it to refine its answer. Here are 3 shorter headlines, all under 10 words. Silver coin lowball selling my 1980s collection failed. A silver flash crash ruined my coin collection sale. Roadshow ripoff while I didn't sell my silver coin. So I like these headlines. They're shorter, but the one problem I have with them is they're a little clickbaity. There's like a little bit too much. And maybe what I can say is, can you make them not so clickbaity? And I don't even know if Gemini will understand that, but hopefully it will figure it out. Okay, good. So it says, here are 3 headlines, all under 10 words, that are direct and less clickbaity based on their article's content. 1980 coin collection meets the silver crash. Selling silver during a market flash crash. The unexpected reality of liquidating old coins. I think I like this 3rd one. I'm just going to copy it in there. Oh, it says I can insert it, so let's put it in there. Actually, put all 3 in there. So just delete the stuff you don't want. I don't want this bulleted. And maybe I can format this as a title. And I'm good. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.